In this video, I'm going to show you my backup method that has saved my butt many times. It's using 2 hard drives. Most people, when they back up, they just go out and buy 1 hard drive and figure, back up my data to 1 hard drive and I'm fine. And what some people are doing is they're not leaving the data on their main computer as well. They're leaving the data strictly on the external hard drive. And when that fails, your data is gone. And search YouTube for data recovery. You'll see hundreds and hundreds of people complaining about how to recover data off of 1 hard drive that has failed. The thing you need is you need 2 hard drives. And not 2 of the same hard drives. 2 different manufacturer hard drives. So I'm using a Seagate 1 terabyte and a Toro that's made by Hitachi 1 terabyte, both USB 3 hard drives. So what you're going to do is you're working on your computer one day and you have to save your files. Plug in the Seagate hard drive, drag and drop all your files onto the Seagate hard drive. When that's done, eject it. The next day you're working on your computer, you have a whole bunch of files to save. You grab your other hard drive, the Toro hard drive, plug it in, drag all your files to that hard drive, unplug it, and you're safe. So, and the people that, I don't understand why people don't want to store data on their computer and the hard drive. I guess if you're a gamer and you have large game capture videos, I guess maybe you wouldn't want to keep them on your computer because it takes up too much room, so you would copy it to your hard drive. In that case, what you would have to do is copy it to 1 hard drive, and when it's finished, get the other hard drive in, plug it in, and copy the same files to the other hard drive. So this way you have now 2 copies of those data on the hard drives, so you won't experience data loss. So that's just my method of backing up data. I alternate the drives. If I don't do any work one day, I don't have to worry about backing up to 1 drive. If I'm doing work every 3 days, then I'll back up every 3 days. It all depends on how much work I do and how critical the data is. If it's just minor data that I don't really care about losing, I won't back it up. But I use a two hard drive method for backing up. Once again, 2 different manufacturers of hard drives. Do not use the same hard drive twice, because some hard drives have, especially the Western Digital Passport, have a history of failing. And if you have two Western Digital Passports, I wouldn't trust my data on them. I would stay away from them. Get 2 different brands of hard drives, back your data up to those hard drives. Now you can go a step further. Get a program like Acronis TrueImage. This is an old box, but what this does, it backs up your entire partition to your external hard drives. So what you do in this is you do it again. You alternate. 1 week, I don't image every day. Some people are really anal about it and they image every day their computer. I don't. I do it once a week. I'll back up my complete computer with an image to 1 drive 1 week. The following week I do it to the 2nd drive, and alternate back and forth. When the drives start getting full, I delete the older images off the hard drives. So imaging and copying data to external hard drives is going to save you a lot of grief, because hard drives fail. I've had many failures over the years. I can tell you, I must have had, if I guessed, over the last 30 years, I've probably had about, I bet you, at least 12 hard drive failures. In the last 5 or 6 years, I've had about 4 external hard drive failures. And what happens is you send them back to the manufacturer, they send you out a refurbished one. But luckily, my data was backed up to another hard drive, so I've never ever lost data. I've never lost data, because I've always been backing up to 2 separate hard drives and also imaging to 2 separate hard drives. So that's just my method for backing up hard drives. You can tailor your own method of backing up. It doesn't have to be my way, But just make sure you get 2 different hard drives and back up to 2 different hard drives alternately, and then you'll be safe. Now you can tailor your backup system to it. However you back up, however you want to back up. If you don't want to back up every day, you can back up every second day, every third day, whatever you want. But tailor it to your own needs. You don't have to go exactly like I'm doing it. Some people are, like I said, are real anal about it, and they'll use the acronym is True Image, and they'll do increment backups. So they'll do a full backup, and they'll do an incremental backup, and they'll do it every day. So they're imaging every single day. But it just takes too much time. I don't want to waste my time backing up. So an hour a day backing up. It just doesn't make any sense. So that's my method of backing up. Get 2 hard drives and devise your own method of backing up data. So when one of these hard drives fails, and I guarantee you, one of these hard drives is going to fail, or your computer hard drive is going to fail, or Windows is going to go corrupt. If Windows goes corrupt, you take the image you took with acronym True Image, and you can restore your computer back to where it was before Windows went haywire on you. So that's my method of backing it up. I hope you find one, and I hope you use it.